going to learn how to make a pasta, and this is very basic. You only need three things, or just two if you want. But the three things are the following. First, one egg, 125 grams of farina or flour, and then the machine that we're gonna use, and that's the pasta maker. Now, making a pasta making a pasta is very easy. All you have to do is first you mix the egg and the flour. You mix, you knead, you have to knead it, and after you have to roll and then cut. That's it. That's very easy. Now, what we're gonna do is we're going to prepare on how to make a pasta. But first of all, you have to remember one egg is equal to 125 grams of flour, or if you don't have an egg and you have a farina or flour, then a 80 ml water is fine, or 80 ml of water is fine. So let's go and let's start.